Okay, just one this week. What's this?
Okay, this is RP2350 Bones. Oh wait, this is the...
That's what you sent me.
Oh, I sent you the wrong file.
Oh, did you?
Oops. Yeah, sorry.
What was it supposed to be?
It's supposed to be the RP2350, but this is the RP2040, which you can barely tell, but I can.
Okay.
It's in the
I won't
inductor.
post this.
So pretend, yeah, I'll send you the right. I think because I was comparing them.
Yeah.
Pretend this is an RP2350 chip. So we have the bones that we did for the 2040, and that let us make like all these variants because we basically had everything on the left side the same, and then the stuff over here changed. So I basically did the same for the RP2350, and it's not quite as much space, but it's very, very close. And I might change the inductor to be an LDL because the inductor is actually kind of big. And I'm like not convinced it gives you a lot of power saving. I mean, like if you're connecting it to a DVI display, you're not looking for power savings. So yeah, so there's going to be because now the RP2350 is available in like quantity. If you guys remember last week's INPI, we covered that. It's like you can now buy chips in the thousands for like 80 cents a piece. So what do you want to see RP2350 feathers? Like we're going to do the Ada logger one and then like a DVI and USB host. But is there other stuff that you guys want to see? I don't know, post comments and we'll try to get to all of them.
Okay.
These chips, it's all red and blue. It looks so similar.
That was top secret. Okie dokie, we're going to go right into questions later.